Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Wow, it's super duper hot really here guys. Today afternoon guys, I am going to bake bread again. No more bread. Super duper so good at bread that I always bake. Now we don't have bread again because that's the bread that Lando and Papa take every day and every morning. Not every, if Philip will eat, that's the one he's using. And now everything is here. So look. So this is now guys the active yeast. Then now I'm going to add here the warm water. So i-mix ko lang po ito guys. At saka add po tayo ng 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Para po for the start. Pero actually you're going to add sugar to I'm going to make 2 tablespoons and 1.5 teaspoon sugar guys, because I observed that it is better to use 2 tablespoons only as sugar. Then now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay. That's the salt. And then now is a canola oil. 2 tablespoons of canola oil. 1. Then 2. So, yan lang po guys. Yung ingredients po. Tapos ano po natin. Whisk po natin. Para maano to dissolve the salt. There, the bubbles. So use 6 cups of flour. So ito po yun is 3 cup na po ito. Ayan. Lagay lang po natin dito. Ayan po. Tapos i-whisk po natin ng maayos. Whisk it properly guys. There. Then another 3 cups of flour. Yan po ang flour ko guys. Before I start here, I strain po. It's because there are so many bags. Many bags of flour guys. Ito po. Ayan. Tapon na lang natin ito. Ayan. Okay. Look. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang, bet. Slowly, bet. So it won't fly. Gamit sana ako ng mask, pero wala na. Hindi na. Masyadong mainit. Hot here guys, you know. Ayan po. Malapit na po. Ang easy lang po mag-ano guys. Okay. Ito na po yung ang dough, guys. Now, gagamit po tayo ng dalawang kamay. So, ikakamay natin, guys. Para po mahalo. So, it will mix po. Mahalo po lahat. Mahalo po lahat yung dough. Ayan. Pause ko muna to, guys. So, ito na po yung dough. Tapos, ilipat po natin dito sa big bowl, guys. Ayan. Tapos, silip po natin ng 10 minutes. At i-cover po natin ng elastic. Leave this one for 10 minutes and we'll be back after 10 minutes. Cover with elastic. Ganyan lang po. Ayan. Okay. I'll be back then. Okay, guys. 10 minutes is passed by. Pwede na po yung table. I-pans natin ng konti, guys. Ayan. Pans po natin ng konti. Ayan po. Ayan na po. Tapos lagyan po natin ng grease yung bowl. I'm gonna add here a grease, canola oil. Ayan, there. Then we will put it back the bread. So I'm going to put this shiny first. So it will have a grease. So yan po. Tapos baliktaran naman po natin. Upside down. And there. So now we'll put it back the plastic. And we're going to leave this one for 1 hour and a half po. Ayusin lang po natin yung plastic. Ayan. Ayos na. Okay. Here is now the dough. So leave this one for 1 hour and a half. So the time here now, guys, is 4:30. Then we'll set the dough 1 hour and a half. So we'll be back here at 6 o'clock in the evening. So yan po. Pagkatapos nyan, after that, we're going to split that one into 2 because that's a big dough. And we're going to raise again 1 hour. Yeah, it takes so long, guys, you know. But it is yummy after you bake. So I'll be back here 6 o'clock, guys. And now I'm going to fry the pig. So this is my schedule every day, guys, you know. After 4:30 or 4:30 in the afternoon, Hello po, good morning sa inyo lahat. Ito po, dalawa po tong guys. Beses ako nag-take ng video. Kagabi is naggawa po ako ng video because I bake bread but doesn't work because I did not use the active yeast. So I was hoping that the dough will rise, but did not rise. So then I tried to cook it. I baked it last night, but did not cook. So it should be really the active yeast. Now I still have left a active yeast. So I'm going to make again, guys. It's because back job the dough that I make last night. So ito na po yun, na po ako mag-start. Ano pa po ngayon? 7:12 in the morning, guys. So I need to make bread because we are running out of bread here. And then nakakabaliw rather. I used the star yeast last night, so it won't work. I thought it will work, guys. So that's another lesson to me again. So bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to make again another video if this one will be done. Bake with the use of the right recipe. This is really I use always, but yesterday afternoon I just tried to use the star yeast, not the active yeast. I don't know what's the difference on that, but I just try it. I tell Philip that because this morning when I get up, he was asking to me, where is the bread? I said, back job. I said, why? I use different yeast. Big mistake on me. So bye everyone. I need to start it again.